In this new era, we constantly make efforts to move forward and highly promote the development of the manufacturing industry in China. Zhongshan First Mold Manufacturing Limited. First your need, mold your part. First Mold originated from First Part China Limited, located in the center of China's Greater Bay Area. Through 10 years of development, it has grown into a high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, design, production, and sales. In First Mold, we have a large garden-style industrial park, a comfortable and spacious modern office area, the advanced talent management team in this industry, and a leader with foresight and broad pattern.
我们秉承互惠互利的原则，用精工品质服务全球每一位客户，努力为中国制造业贡献我们的力量。
We have invested a lot in establishing a professional R&D and design team, set up an industry model with strong R&D capabilities and international leading equipment. First Mold takes the spirit of a professional, dedicated, and devoted craftsman. We are committed to providing global customers with precision tooling production solutions for multiple industries. Our company has a complete set of production systems to create advanced quality with exquisite artistry. We seek excellent inspection processes from material selection, designing, manufacturing, and finishing to quality inspection. We strictly supervise every process to guarantee product quality effectively. We have obtained ISO 9001 and IATF 16949 quality system certifications and many other international certifications. Our company owns a large storage capacity, cooperates with worldwide logistics companies, and offers global excellent after-sales service. We are deeply favored and trusted by our customers. We have established international sales networks throughout the United States, Canada, Britain, France, and many other countries and districts. We have also built long-term business relationships with multiple global renowned companies, even developing broad markets.
立规、立德、立标，原规、原德、原标是立源企业文化的基本元素。
在立源，优秀的员工是企业最珍贵的财富。
We have modern supporting facilities. We create a stage for employees to achieve their values. Enterprise and employees stick together to make better progress and achievement. Let everyone in the company has the motivation and enthusiasm to move forward. In the next 5 years, First Mold will concentrate on developing the internal skills in marketing and production, and then improve the living standard of every employee. In the next 10 years, we will endeavor to expand the domestic and foreign market and extend multiple product and service lines to set a benchmark on the precision machining, injection molding, precision mold design, and manufacturing. We will do our best to become the talent cradle for the manufacturing industry and cooperate with global customers and supply chain partners to welcome a bright future. Zhongshan First Mold Manufacturing Limited. First your need, mold your part.